Are you looking for the best backpacking stove for high altitude? In our thorough evaluation, we've tested two top contenders, the MSR WindBurner and the Jetboil Flash. Both stoves were put through a rigorous 140-hour testing focused on thermal efficiency and atmospheric simulations. The MSR WindBurner stands out with an impressive 95% thermal efficiency in sub-ambient temperatures, while the Jetboil often struggles in windy conditions. Why is radiant burner technology essential for serious mountaineers? Traditional convective burners like the Jetboil can face catastrophic thermal loss in crosswinds. In our controlled tests, the WindBurner outperformed the Jetboil by a significant margin, achieving a boil time 4 minutes faster in 12 miles per hour winds at 10,000 feet above sea level. Our evaluation began with an analysis of both stoves' design. The WindBurner uses a radiant burner that is less affected by wind, while the Jetboil relies on familiar open flames that can easily be disrupted. We also examined the pressure regulation. Unlike the Jetboil that falters as fuel diminishes, the WindBurner's diaphragm-based regulator maintains consistent performance even in challenging conditions. We continue to analyze heat efficiency through our flux ring study. The enclosed design of the WindBurner prevents air from cooling the cooking surface, while the Jetboil is susceptible to wind interference, necessitating more fuel. In our altitude test, the WindBurner maintained a stable boil time of 2 minutes and 45 seconds at 12,000 feet, while the Jetboil took 3 minutes and 15 seconds, showcasing its limitations. Wind resistance was another major factor. The WindBurner showed no increase in boil time under a lateral wind test, whilst the Jetboil's performance deteriorated drastically, resulting in 280% longer boil times. Fuel efficiency is vital for multi-day treks. The WindBurner consumed only 4.2 grams of fuel per boil at altitude, compared to the Jetboil's 5.8 grams. This efficiency means lighter packs and fewer fuel canisters. Finally, we examined failure points. The Jetboil's neoprene sleeve melted under stress, while the WindBurner remains durable without an integrated igniter, ensuring it operates reliably even at high altitudes. In summary, the MSR WindBurner is the superior choice for high-altitude backpacking, providing better performance, efficiency, and reliability than the Jetboil Flash. Ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game? Check out the link in the description for more details and where to buy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews on outdoor gear. Happy cooking!